Well, see, the thing is, it's been a whole month, right? So I had already bought the pans. Okay, I got my cooking utensils, pots, basically. Okay, now these things I had already pretty much had already. So, like, okay, I have the things that I need, okay, for the peach cobbler. And I had the cranberry sauce. Where is it? Back here. Oh, because I thought I didn't get it. So I'm going to have two different kind. I'm going to have the jellied kind. And then I'm going to have the whole. So I had this. So I was already prepared. So simple dish. Sweet potato pies. Peach cobbler. Macaroni and cheese. Greens. And a turkey breast. Okay. And my greens. Smoked turkey in it. Yeah. I like smoked. Some people like smoked turkey necks, but I like smoked turkey wings in mine. Okay, and I'm about to do the dressing. I'm about to get all this stuff ready. So by tomorrow, early in the morning, by lunchtime, I think we'll be pretty much eating Thanksgiving dinner. So yeah, it is now almost. It's now almost 9 p.m. This is what the pans look like. Progress has been made. Okay, turkey right there. It's in a pot, got foil on it, and yeah, cranberry sauce. So when I wake up, I'll be back at it. I'll come back and I'll be back at it. Okay, here's the bird. Now, this is just the breast, okay? It makes sense because I don't have a lot of people, but I'm gonna offer plates. But it's like I don't want this to go past 2 days. You know what I'm saying? Because by that fourth day, you're freezing. But yeah, this is what it is. Today is Thanksgiving, and it is, I'll tell you what time it is. It is 7:20 a.m. and yeah, I'm about to put this in the oven for probably like 4.5 hours till it's like all golden brown. So like I showed you, everything is in the refrigerator already prepped, and basically I just need to work on these pies and peach cobbler and pop the rolls and by lunchtime, I guess all this stuff be ready. You know what I'm saying? 2 o'clock. So that's pretty much it. So yeah, this is how the breast looks. And of course, I'll show a little montage of everything when it's all done. So, happy Thanksgiving. I'm thankful and grateful. What am I thankful for? Family. You know what I'm saying? Um, Loved ones, friends, associates, and I'm thankful for that I have income, my finances are increasing, and yeah, I'm thankful for the people that support me and that are continuing to support me. So that's what it is. You know what I'm saying? So I don't want to go on and on and on, but happy Thanksgiving to each and every one of you. So, like I said, I will share it when it's all done. So, take care. 1 whole hour later. So, here are these greens. And I know that they're clean. And I do wash them again. But yeah, that's just how I do them. Just that quick, easy step. Use whatever seasoning you like. But I just like the smoked turkey in mine. It's like, what, 8:30 by now? Thanksgiving Day. And I'm still at it. Here's my smoked turkey that I put. Okay, here are the yams, sweet potatoes. Now what I'm going to do is just peel them and boil them for my sweet potato pies. Put all my ingredients in and bake them till they're kind of golden brown. And I'm going to try my best to protect the edges. But yeah, that's pretty much how I do these sweet potatoes. So let's just take a peek. I know what that is, right? Yeah. Oh, let's look at my macaroni and cheese. I have to put it in the oven, right? So it's all gooey. That's how mine's gonna be. And I'm gonna show you what it look like when it's done. I'm gonna be making me a plate very soon. Look, there go the sweet potato pie, right? This the turkey breast. Yeah. Okay. Letting it get all golden brown. Those are the candied yams. Yeah. I started at 7. It's now 12:08. Yes. Thursday, November the 25th. You feel me? See that? See that food? She working. She's working. Right, we about to wrap it on up. And I'm almost done with this. That's the peach cobbler. My last sweet potato pie and the mac and cheese. Yeah. I transitioned everything over here so it'll be easy for serving. And here are the plates, which I have 24. And I picked up these napkins right here from Dollar Tree. Water or pops. That's that. I loved how my turkey came out. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Yes. Look at him. He absolutely has a bigger tank. Let me cut that light off for him. But you see all of that right there? You know, that little square was the size of his tank. That square right there. So now he has a bigger tank. Hey, the fish. Hey, the fish. Hey. See how big he's got it? I don't know if it's a girl or boy, but he's waiting on his feeders. My goodness, he got a new heater too. God, look at this. He has a new heater, okay? So he's going to be going. He has a new home and everything and everything and everything and everything. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. There are 4 big fishes in here. Oh, you know, it's just so peaceful and tranquil, okay? He has a big home now. We don't have to worry about going to get a bigger house for him. Oh goodness, look at them. They're looking at the background. Got to get a bigger background because that was the size of the old tank. So, you like your new tank? You love it, huh? Yeah. Check you out. This Oscar, okay, eats so many feeders. But the feeders now have space to get away. So hopefully, yeah. So this is his new home. I'm excited. I thought I'd just do an update on Oscar here in his big tank that he's gotten. So now he has a room. Turn this light on. Okay. Okay. You know what I'm saying? Yes. Ooh. Playtime. Okay. Now, this is what it's looking like. Right? This is going to be my portion size. Now, let me show you what I was talking about when I said my mac and cheese. You know what I'm saying? It's all gooey. I got that gooey. You know? Yeah. And it's all golden and brown. It's not dry. Oh my God. You know? Okay, check me out one time. One time. Ooh. So good. I'm just saying. Look at my plate. Ooh. She been working hard. Okay, good flavor. Good flavor. Let me try this. You know, I'm a critic of my own. If I say something needed something extra, I'll say it. Mac and cheese is very meaty. Okay. Good consistency. Okay. I see that. So good. Yay, yay, yay. Okay. Let me try. Now these are from scratch. These are not canned. Okay, shorty. I think I did that. I think I did. Ooh, this dressing is good. Oh. Okay. Yeah. I'm going ahead and give myself a 10. What you think? I get a 10 or a 9.5?
Yeah, 10 on my book.
And I'm going to go ahead and get on out of here. And I will catch you all on the next video. And as I stated before, I'm grateful and thankful to all those that support me right here on my channel. Peace.